Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. You'll be seeing two designs, one for the dress and other is blade painting. I take order works and teach online professional courses. Those interested can contact me. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers and many more. First I'm drawing the ovals wherever I want flowers. This design you can paint for dresses, tops and saree borders. This design is very easy and this is double daisy design and I am taking daisy strokes. You can use 6 or 8 number round brush. I have taken burnt sienna color and after that next petals I'll be taking lemon yellow and yellow ochre. I have taken burnt sienna, burnt umber, lemon yellow, yellow ochre for this design. For leaves I am doing wet on wet, and if you are painting this design on cloth, use medium number 1 instead of water. This is a beautiful design and do try this design friends. Now you are seeing my second painting and this is blade painting. Children, kindly don't try this art. I have taken maroon acrylic color on the tile and I have taken the color with the blade and drawing with the blade. like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.